remaining.
That's a
Parang
4-point.
mahirap na habulin for TNT. Rebound for Sanggalang.
That's a 4-point attempt by Ronde Hollis Jefferson. And it looks like Terra Firma is going to win this one. Still some time left. They need to start scoring again. Here's
Mark Nonoy,
Nonoy.
another three.
Oh, missed again. Second miss for Mark Nonoy, and Jason Castro is going to go straight in for the easy layup.
But the repercussions for the TNT Tropangiga, we said, nahawak nila yung pagkakataon to move up to the very top of the rankings. Be the number 1 team dahil sila na lang yung may dalawa pa lang talo up until this point. But yung sa kabilang banda naman din, from racing your record to just 2 defeats with a possible 10 wins.
Kahit sabihin mo orthopedic, halata pa rin kayo.
To the other side and finish at 6-6.
Mga loko rin eh, no?
Very, very possible.